Today I'm going to share how I like to use the Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess Loose Setting Powder. This is a silky smooth finish which helps to lock your makeup look in place and also helps to eliminate shine throughout the day. Now I personally get a little bit of oil buildup throughout my T-zone, so I like to use this to knock back any shine and to reduce any excess oils. This setting powder is great for all skin types and it comes in 4 shades and 2 finishes, Forever and Extra Matte. I'm going to demonstrate the shade Fair Extra Matte, but I'm only going to apply it in the areas that I know that I need it, primarily my T-zone. So I'm going to apply it to the forehead, around the edges of the nose, and also my chin where I know I get excess oil buildup throughout the day. But I am going to avoid placing it on my cheeks because I want this area to continue to look dewy and luminous, and I don't want to mattify my look completely. So this is a loose setting powder. So I'll take my brush and lightly tap it in and tap off any excess. I then like to take the brush and just swirl it into the lid, just so then the product gets really into the bristles for a really smooth finish. Now, instead of like a sweeping motion, I'm going to use more of a pressing, stippling motion just in the areas I need it. So I'll just place some in my forehead, the outside of my nose, and then just a little on the chin. As you can see, this hasn't applied any color to my look, it's just helped to knock back that shine. The Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess makeup range is vegan, cruelty-free, and Australian certified toxic-free, making it safe and gentle for all skin types.